Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sudip Maiti. Today I'll tell you some different tips and technique about the impromptu or the extemporary. You think a scenario. You went to your son's school for the final day of the school and school principal asks you as a parent, can you please come to the stage and say something about the school? In that particular situation, what do you say? Or might be you went to the local puja pandal to visit the puja. And during that particular time, some of the organizing committee member request to you as a visitor, how do you feel about this puja pandal or the pratima? So in that particular situation, if you have to say something, so what would be the technique you can apply and you can say? I have seen most of the people, they're blank in this particular situation. They don't know what to say. But today, I'll tell you one quick technique which will be help you to overcome this kind of the situation. This technique is called the PPIT technique. P means people. Another P is there, it means place. I is issue. T is time. So this is all about the PPIT. If you follow this particular process, at least you can say something in this particular scenario. What do you start? Suppose the first P is the people. First you tell about those who have called out to you to come to the stage and say something about the organization or might be the school. You say like that way. Thank you, the principal, the honorable chief guest, as well as the organizing committee, as well as the class teacher of my son class, giving me the opportunity to something about this school on this particular stage. I'm really grateful and thankful for that. Let me say something about that topic. So you can say 2-3 lines on this particular aspect about the people. You say start with the greetings like a good morning, good evening or good afternoon, whatever it might be the situation. Second P is the place. You say about the place where the organization, the schools or the puja pandal, what are the scenario I told, where it is located and how the location wise it's getting benefited, or what is the problem, what are the things you should say it like that way. You can say 2-3 lines in that particular aspect. And third one is the issue. If nothing is there related to the issue, you say about the related to the school or the organizing of the puja pandals and all. You can say how they have organized the things, everything you can say. Or if you found any kind of the issue, there is the think about the Durga Puja time in Calcutta. So there is a huge queue to visit the pandal, and there is no proper queue. People are haphazardly enter to the pandals and get into the pandal and come out anyhow. So there is no proper queue. They are not following, and anyone is coming and going inside that. Lot of people are standing in behind. So in that particular situation, it might be the issue. You can say about this, but if this is the problem, you can advise to the puja pandal committee, ask them if you maintain the queue, so everyone can visit to the pandal in the proper way, and they can see the pratima in the better way, rather than fighting with each other. That is nothing but an issue. You can say 2-3 lines in that aspect. And last but not the least one is T. T is nothing but a time. You can say about the past time, or might be the present time, or might be the future time. You can say about this particular, the puja pandal or the school. If you think about the school, before the school established in this area, nothing was there. It was the normal land, nothing was there. The school has established on this particular year. I could remember the place when I'm passing through this particular area. I was pretty scared because no houses, nothing was there, but the place has been changed now. There is so many houses because of this school. A lot of people got the opportunity into the school because of the school has given the opportunity to the local people first for for the different kind of clerical job, security guard job, or might be the caretaker point of view. You can say like that way. And future, you can say like that way. So there might be the future. Lot of the meritorious students will be coming out from this school, and the school glory will be increased like anything. So these are the in that aspects you can see. So if you follow this particular technique, PPIT technique, at least in this particular situation, you will not be frightened. So you can at least speak 4 to 5 minutes. That is more than enough. Impromptu in this case, people are not expecting you. You come as a prepared speech and you have to say something. So, and if you follow this technique, at least the organized way, you can say something about this particular scenario, and you can over deliver the things. Thank you.